Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve this system of equations where we have x plus y equals 24 and xy equals 44. I want to provide solution to x and y from here. So let's say we consider from equation 1. So which says x plus y equals 24. Then let's make y the subject of the formula. So we have to transfer x to other side. And here we have y equals 24 minus x. Then by consider from equation 2, we have our xy equals 44. And from this line, let's replace y with 24 minus x so that we have our x into bracket of 24 minus x equals 44. And from here, let's open this bracket. X times 24, we have 24x minus x times x, we have x squared equals 44. And from here, let's see. So let's transfer this minus x squared here. We have minus x squared, and here is plus 24x equals 44. Then in the next step, let's open this with negative. We have to multiply this one with negative. So minus times minus here, we have x squared. Minus times plus, we have minus 24x equals, so minus we multiply this, we have minus 44. And looking at this, here is a quadratic equations, and let's say we divide this 24. If you have 24 divided by 2, this equals 12. And when we square 12, we have 144. And into this line, let's add 144 to both sides. Or let's say simply we add 12 squared to both sides. Then we have our x squared minus 24x plus 12 squared equals minus 44 plus 12 squared. And then x squared minus 24x plus 12 squared is the same thing as x minus 12 raised to power 2 equals minus 44 plus, so 12 squared equals 144. And by this, we have x minus 12 squared equals minus 44 plus 144 is odd-rank. Then from here, let's try to rewrite this odd-rank as 10 squared. X minus 12 raised to power 2 equals 10 squared. And let's transfer 10 here. When we transfer 10 into here, we have this as x minus 12 squared minus 10 squared equals 0. So from what we have here, this follows when we have a squared minus b squared. This equals a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So here is difference of 2 squared. So for this, a is x minus 12 and b is 10. So by replacing it, we have x minus 12 plus 10 multiplied by x minus 12 minus 10 equals 0. So then we have x minus 12 plus 10, that is minus 2, then multiply by x minus 12 minus 10, we have minus 22 equals 0. So from here we let x minus 2 equals to 0 or x minus 22 equals 0. And by this property we are going to say x equals 2, or we have our x equals 22. So that is the value of x that we got. And when we recall from where we let our y equals 24 minus x, so we have to find the value of x also by substituting the value of x here, then we get the value of y. So let's do that quickly. So since these are the values of x, let's consider this y. We have y equals 24 minus x, and at x equals 2 we have y equals 24 minus 2, and from here you can see that the value of y here equals 22, and when x equals 2. And also for this one we have y equals 24 minus x. So when our x equals 22, we have our y equals 24 minus 22, and here we have our y equals 2. So then we have our x equals 22. So if this is what we have, let's try to verify for all these answers if they are going to be equivalent to the given problem. We have from x plus y equals 24, and suppose our x is 22, we have 22 plus, then our y here is 2, so 22 plus 2 equals 24. And also from the product part of this, we are going to have our xy equals 24, then we have 22 multiplied by 2, this equals 24, which shows that this is also correct for this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next class. Bye bye.